Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2014 Audi A4. That's where we put the backup camera. This 2014 Audi A4 came with MMI. Basically it came with navigation, but customer asked us to add the Android screen 10.25 inch. As you can see, that's how we mounted to the same spot of the screen. The beauty of this unit is it keeps all your factory MMI features, and also you get on top of that the Android system too. So right now I'm on Google Maps. As you can see, we still can control everything with the buttons and knobs on MMI. So by clicking on back, I'm going back to our menu, and I still can use the knob. And by going to original, I can go back to the factory MMI, and you still can scroll up and down. You still can use whatever you used to use. On top of that, you get backup camera too. That's the backup camera with dynamic parking guideline and the PDC. By going to park, it shifts back to the factory mode. When you want to go to the aftermarket mode, by touching the screen, it goes to aftermarket mode. You can use offline maps, which is an extra map that you can use it, and basically you can update it as many times as you want, and you don't really need to go to dealer to pay $300 to $400 to update the maps each time. Or simply you can use to Google Maps, or you can download Waze and use those. You can basically it comes with the USB in the glove box that you can play video or audio through it too. So by going to media, you can go to the video feature, and if you have any video you can play it. If you go to the music, you can play the music. So it's as simple as that. And by clicking on home button, you go to the main menu. It's fully touch, and also apps are here. You can go to YouTube. It shows the kilometers of the car, temperature outside, that's the speed of the car. Also you have Easy Connect, which can do mirror link from your phone. It has a dash reader that it shows the RPM and the speed of the car too. Also if door is open or closed, or let's say headlights are on or off, or the trunk is open or not. So you can see it on the same screen. And that's all about it. If you're really interested to get these type of Android screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. And right now we offer free shipping to all over the world, so you can take the advantage of this promotion that right now we have it. Thank you and have a great day.